Malungil kapsinge, yung mamsulang once again, I'm let tune in and at TMC, channel 38, yagagi da kukmiyang al Israel al December 8, 2018, nal nga Sabadong. Makakot miyang al Isang Cell American Medical Response Incorporation, nal nga Medical Transport Services Company nga Nabulura, Honolulu, amle donate tablol ambulance sa Bureau of Public Safety, Division of Fire. Damal mga sulit na kayo dahil other talong bali legal tablol ambulance sa ngoswira Ministry of Justice mang malmol malmuru law rede lon nga sewra balur adra balur belaw almo regay gidal guktudong emergency medical services. Adira kaltara malmiyang alay sa sera November 29 ya Ministry of Justice sa mlangisel first batch of officers including our leaders CERTIR almlo conductor cell first mandatory drug test ra Belaw Medical Clinic tiragal royal officers including ra Vice President Tiragal Minister Regidel Reynold Oilo amlo test tiroyal nila negative for drug use. Kadamay mga sulal la Ministry of Justice nga malmol malmarulay kay the drug test. Make sure your officers, my leaders, Laudio Rande, the Ministry of Justice, nakalola makitalgar, malmol malmrulaw redi, lung sewra, other blue belaw. Ngayon nga, total 138 personnel, tira expected mo undergo test el-adrak. Tira katal malmayang alay sa November 29, sera November 29, Yar adra Seventh-day Adventist Church amle donate tagal mora chel ngayar representative ra Seventh-day Adventist Lobengela spokesperson tirel nga Bilung Gloria Sali mar beber members sa iglesia el mlosabir el mega donation el mora chel yamlar say el receive legal donation ang nga Vice President and Minister of Justice Reynold Oilo Madirakal Acting Chief of Division niya Melvin Ubeday. Our inmates samal mayang asulir our other STA el raigal gal yaigang amal el inta mel mortal legal marmel holidays muguk sab ira nga rabla galbus luguk mo enjoy kay gidal galam. Dirakal Vice President Obisra Vice President Ministry of Justice samal mayang asulir our STA mal-appreciate tayo malungil donation ng mga mortir, ma-continue the support ng Mura Ministry of Justice. Tara ay sa ulmo ura December 4, for 5 days, ya bandera nga blue belaw moswa bakal half-mast in honor of former First Lady Miss Along Nakamura, ngiyam la mosmera. First Lady Along Nakamura, former First Lady, First Lady Rablo Bella or Serabal President Tabil, Mr. Guniwan Nakamura, Sera 1993. Media describe her as a remarkable woman. Ngamal na-contribute taklo wal mura, nakadil dalang aklel, and direk kalmura community, direk kalmeriki darokul other Bellaw. TMC mal send the best condolences sa mura family ra former First Lady Along Nakamura. Idirakan mal wish family ringi comfort as they go through this hard time beltir albang ringi. Idirakan taramyang alay sa sera December 4 imlaringi sel hotel First Economic Forum el blel host ringi blue bela mablu shabal. Ang amlaringi sila December 4 Malaysia ngel Mr. Norikasu Susugi alngia Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs described Tial Forum as one of the largest one of forum nga mamle attract ra largest delegation na Blue Shabal tiang compare mo ra igal bepira forum el Shabal amle co-host lo bangela ko bebil ra Pacific Island countries. From this statement, teng reveal el wase blue Shabal amal show great interest el mera blue belaw compare mo nagiging dalgok pebil ra balura Pacific. Le nagiging Mr. Norika Susugi le heather tel Japanese delegation mlaringar executives from 18 Japanese-run companies. Mr. Susugi virakal after realizing wase other shabala mal kloa interested ngi lon ngasir economic abru belaw milogol marami dia lo aseng mool nga sel wal mutel ngu wasel direct flight radolong le labela mashabal el mutel mo available mo musab el mutel booster sel tourism ra between abru bela mashabal avira qaltar amal mayang al aisa mlari tial matlol arod al girel sel resolution el nga endorse implementation sel power purchase agreement Nadalongolela Palau Public Utilities Corporation PPUC masel EPS Enchi Electric Power System tial resolution namlora olbil your senators amle vote 11-1 el milgodir tagi the resolution majority ra voting amle against tagi the resolution mela adu kamingi lwaseng ngarang aigel mo after ngarang amo makatmok after tagidel na mo marigal blalgat maklar senators di qatara malungil ay sa PNCC sera December 7 na sir Eli imle marker sel 1-year anniversary of Palau's international fiber optic connectivity mlamo 1 year the start to los tel fiber optic tel ada PNCC umra la sa tel fiber optic connection it brought a huge increase raguk international capacity edirak kalmlo sa beeda raguk experience ra faster and more affordable service PNCC tial fiber optic edirak kal provide mastrat earlier other PNCC masabil provide better deals and promotions edirak kal masala PNCC introduce a convenient affordable options المرة أضرب الموسبرة internet ترى ميان الآيس التغضغرة ريغول رنجل سل the Paivas family الترى نرابلور بلا والملي ميشوناري لنرى Seventh Day Adventist seguida rage gidam dengel waset trige rogul sel familia mlad edim noya emo survivor al gidadil al Melissa the Paiva after 15 years engayid al Melissa the Paiva amle return al merablur belaw al lobengela open their grandparents ringi gamla moklolodil mla mobil mle visa del group return al merbelaw to pay us a visit sera Eli الملي Friday ملارني agora special service البلال لورو رني را يجي شرطي را STA الأغبوك مرة يسلا سنكيو يسلا سنكيو يابلو را بليليو أملو conclude their cell security sera December 4 according to unofficial results ya governor الالتامل نعتمي سمول أملو غات by 37 votes out of 956 registered voters, are 487 and cast a voter tier. Out of that 487 and vote cast, Governor Temi Smula, ang ila 255 votes, Jackson nila 218 votes. Tiral candidate, maradrab liliwak madir kamingi sel absentee, masel mo final and official result. Ngiya ukmusop edra mengs isel ra next week logi war adra election commission atara senkyol albang aringil ang asel ngatpang state of 4th general election nga morning na December 11 next week na Tuesday ngani nga tablo candidate sa remort more civil ngatpang state governor seat mangaringil governor el altamel nga chair CER yang anya candidate Francisca Otong alngiya mo rumurtulo bengela governor tinagay del terul governor direct kalngaringi are 15 candidates al tiago compete al muragel legislature seat at large Tiray kita 15 ng ngaringiya candidate Van Ray Tarawo, ngaringiya Lorenzo Osilek, ngaringiya Chant Itong, Sayuri Ogada, Carlo the May Otob, ngaringiya Rasi, Siboy Rimir, Chengins Amasyo, Milong Salvador, Maylin Ngiryo, Siles Ngiraramyang, Skaras et Pisong, Miwa Tant Nabeyama, Chatston Wasisang, Elin Klolad, Ma Edwin Arurang. TM Sikma Deurang Rak Malbud, Al Senkil Mar Adrang Atpa, Ngela Mobes ra Tuesday, Linya December 11, Mura Sel Umar Oryo, Rega Mura Obisra Election Commission, and Mokyasta Voter Gaw. Yakuk tar announcement, Adidak ka next week, Linya December 14, yung Friday ra next week, ang Moringiya Sele Jingle Bells Run, hostel niya Palau Track and Field Association. Ano niya, $3 registration, sab di gawal sige at Jingle Bells sa gawal Murtia route, or ang sab mo nga maararal $2 sil over at Track and Field. Yal suko mo kamong al full Santa outfit, ang di mo free registration na gawal makamormurte di free. Yan, so kung mga niya karimel, girel tel event, anything regarding our tel event, tingman sa emblem makadong ra 488-8034, ang nga office ra, ang nga Track and Field, o remote tang maya, baby ra, in full girel tel event. Alway say, ang dimlay gay kita, may ang al-Aister, al-Sunday, yung man masulang, makuknek sa Sabadong, ay sa Maral.